Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this M140i in for a Wavetrac LSD upgrade. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss when any of our new videos go live. So installing the Wavetrac LSD on this car, I'm solving the traction and drivability issues that plague these cars from the factory, and especially made worse once tuned. So the problem with these cars, they have an open differential from the factory. What the problem that it creates is when traction is lost, like when there's a little bit of wheel slip, the open differential sends the power to the wheel that's freely spinning. And these particular cars, or any sort of like modern day car, generally uses like traction control and like ABS systems that either cut the power quite violently or abruptly, and then also use the brakes to slow down the freely spinning wheel to regain some drive. So the Wavetrac differential solves those problems by automatically biasing power to the wheel with the most amount of grip, and it does that nice and evenly across the back axle as well. And it does that a lot better than any other ATVs on the market, thanks to the patented design as well, which if you want to learn more about, we will put a link in the description to a video that goes into that a little bit more, and then also we'll put like a card somewhere in the video where you can go straight through to it. So next step is get the car in the workshop, get the diff fitted, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.